I'm scrolling for a moment to make sure that it's recording. I'm going to speak about two stocks. I'm going to speak about CanTrust and Sirius. First, I'm going to show you, since I've had a Robinhood account, I've won 7 free stocks. And one of them was Sirius Radio, that Sirius XM. I'll open that up in a moment. But these other ones that I won, I sold them. You know, I'm very new to investing. I didn't start investing until the second half of 2019. So what I did was I sold all of these and I bought more Sirius, and I think I bought one. So let me start with that. Sirius went up. It went down because of what's going on with the forced pause. On April 3rd, it went down to 448. That's low. And 3 months ago, we'll just say, it was at 738. February 20th. And now it's at 593. My average is 554. But I didn't buy all of these. I won stocks and I reinvested them into the Sirius XM radio. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep these, and it's because I did some research and I'm not sure how I feel about it. They ended up they reported a profit, considering the forced pause, of $293 million at 7 cents a share, compared to $162 million at 3 cents a share. And revenue rose 12% to $1.95 billion. Analysts were expecting $1.93 billion. But then the company said it lost 143,000 net subscribers. And I happen to feel that's partially due because of the forced pause and people not driving as often. And things are changing. I've noticed with Sirius XM radio, and this is just my opinion, guys, what I hear, my formed opinion, that I know a lot of the Sirius XM radio channels that people paid for, they're branching out into YouTube, they're branching out into podcasts. Things are changing. So I was planning on selling these Sirius stocks, and I was hoping I could hold out till it hit $7. I believe it'll go back up to $7 again. Even a year ago, yeah, that's pretty much the way it was, about $7. Okay. I only have 9 shares, but you have to do to learn. I'm sorry for the background noise. My heat just kicked on, and I don't want to stop. Okay. CanTrust. It's a Canadian marijuana stock. And on March 31st, the company received a notice from the New York Stock Exchange that the trading of the firm's common shares were suspended. And I'm going to show you that in a moment. And to take it even a little bit further, much more clarity exists around the firm Toronto Stock Exchange listing, where the equity will be removed from the exchange at the close of market on May 6th. So that's the Canadian Stock Exchange. I'm going to keep an eye out if they're going to be totally taken down from the New York Stock Exchange. Currently pending in full delisting of equity. An application to the Securities and Exchange Commission is currently pending for the full delisting of equity. So that might change. I'm very sorry about the heat. But as you can see here, this happened a few days ago, maybe about a week ago. You can close out your position in this stock, but you cannot purchase additional shares. And why? It was like a week ago. Because look what it went down to. Oh, wow, it was more low than that. Hold on. Look at that. Wasn't even a penny. You know, it's like a half a penny, and then it went up. See how it goes up? You see here. Oh, I can't make it stay. But you see it. So I figured, why not hold on to it? I'll keep an eye out. I should save this page. I'll just do research. And I'll keep an ear out when they're going to take it down from the New York Stock Exchange. They might not, because it jumped back up to 46 cents. Wait, yeah, 46 cents. So, I don't have a lot of shares. I only have 17. I was trying it out. It's a learning curve. This is all about education. You know, stock market education. And it's a very small price to pay for the lesson that I learned. Now, it might go back up and they might not be taken off, but now since I read this, that they're going to be taken off, seize trade order against the company to prevent trading in the common shares of any exchange in Canada. They don't want them on the Canada Stock Exchange. So that's stuff that you learn along the way. I thought you would find that interesting. There's highs, there's lows. I mean, this was a perk. You never know, maybe I'll end up keeping it. Maybe I should have bought more when they were $4.98, considering I just read this now, that they had an unexpected growth, considering they lost 143,000 net subscribers. So I hope you found this interesting, and if you want to join Robinhood or Webull, because they're both giving away free stocks to new accounts, new investors, and then you can promote your referral link and receive more free stocks. This is a great time to get in, to learn, to become comfortable, gain some experience in the stock market with buying and selling stocks. I hope you found it interesting. I'll be back to give you more views to my portfolios. Take care, guys. Good luck.